This thing will work, I guess. It's plastic. I'm going to use this for my sledgehammer. Thank y'all for sticking around to my channel. Look at this. Like that. It's a little plastic drawer. I'm not using it anymore. But I did that so because I appreciate y'all for sticking up to my YouTube channel and supporting it. And you really don't have to be here if you didn't want to, but I appreciate y'all, and I want this community to keep growing. And we keep growing this community, and you'll see more videos like this, and videos from my day-to-day life, and some fitness content. And I know a lot of people don't think, well, that's not very entertaining, but for me, it's an expression and a reflection in the mirror. So day-to-day, upload these YouTube video content to y'all. This is the 50th subscriber. It may be the 55th subscriber because I'm sitting at 54, and if I gain one more subscriber by the time I upload this is gonna be the 55th subscriber special. So like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.